Okay, so what is a trust? A revocable living trust is essentially an upgraded, more powerful, less expensive will. So in California, a will does not avoid probate, and a trust does, which is a huge savings of tens of thousands of dollars and literal years for your family and heirs. A trust allows you a lot more control over how you leave the assets. So if you have young kids and you don't want them to have full control over their inheritance the moment they reach 18, then a trust is a great way to go to provide a little more guidance and structure that way. A trust also allows you to provide for yourself during your lifetime, and to make it easier to take care of your spouse during your joint lifetimes as well, which a will does not help with in any way. So I'm going to unpack a few more of those concepts in my next few videos, so stay tuned.